Hello. First of all, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to talk about a very important thing here. It's called memory, how to boost your memory. That's a very important thing, especially if you're a student or even if you're at work, you need a strong memory because you need to produce, you need to show the results. And that's why memory is very important. So I came across a study in which they studied 4,000 subjects and they found out that if you have less intake of sugar and fats in your diet, you have a delayed onset of problems of memory. So memory is really good if you have less sugar intake and less fat intake. And in this regard, if you have, fats in your diet, that is not healthy anyways. So, another important thing is if you are taking fish oil supplements, or even if you're taking fish, in good amount in your diet, that's going to help you with memory, with emotion control, and with decision making. And if you focus on your life, these three things are very important, whether you are at work or you are taking exams, you're a student, you're a doctor, you're an engineer, everywhere. These things will help you, and that's what memory is all about. Another important thing is egg. Egg is a very big blessing. If you're taking good amount of eggs in your, day-to-day life, you're getting a very important component. It's called choline, and choline is a very important ingredient of a very important neurotransmitter that is found in the neurons at the synapses, and that helps with the memory. And also in eggs, you can get B6 and B12 vitamins, which are also very useful for memory process, So again, overall, eggs are very useful. Fats are not good, and fish oil is good. If you have good intake of vitamin C, which you can get from orange or bell peppers and so on and so forth, that is also very healthy for your memory boost. You can boost your memory with vitamin C as well, and that reduces problems like anxiety, depression, dementia, Alzheimer dementia, and different types of dementias and schizophrenia. So that is a really good thing. It's a blessing. God has provided us with those things. Nuts are also really good because they reduce the amount of free radicals, and they are really good antioxidants, and they reduce those oxidative stress level things in your brain, and therefore your memory is really good with that. Another important thing is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants, so that helps with memory retention again. Pumpkin seeds. If you're a student, keep some pumpkin seeds next to you. That helps, with memory building process, because you need certain minerals as well for your memory. For example, copper, zinc, iron, and magnesium, and they are very easily and readily available from pumpkin seeds. So try to have that in your diet. Another important thing is broccoli. Broccoli is really useful because it provides you with something called sphingolipids, and those sphingolipids are really good in your neuronal formation and strengthening, and that helps with another memory boost. Increased memory is really good. So if you have broccoli through broccoli soup or broccoli pasta and all those things, it's very healthy in your diet, especially for your brain. Turmeric is a very essential or useful thing in your diet if you want memory, because it crosses the blood-brain barrier and directly affects your memory process. So that is something really good, And another important thing is if you have blueberries in your diet, research says that blueberries are really good in memory boost and cognition. And cognition is very important because you need to be attentive into the things that you're doing. And even if you know something but you're not attentive, so memory reproductivity is not good if you have a bad cognition. So therefore blueberries are proven to be good for cognition, and that's really good. So you can take some blueberries. That's really going to help. And another important thing is caffeine. Caffeine has been proven to be effective because it decreases the onset of dementia and increases your attentiveness and productivity in your task. So try to introduce these things into your life and see the effects. Especially try to introduce these things into your kids, because you will see the effects. And even for yourself, another important thing I want to add here is green tea. I also came across that green tea is very useful, very helpful. And if you want to add something really useful into your diet, green tea is that, because it helps a lot with a lot of things. So think about these things. I have just laid down all of the things. You don't have to take all of them all at once in every single day. You can just have a diet plan and have those things on day-to-day basis, like eggs in the breakfast, turmeric in your food sprinkled, and you can have nuts in your free times when you're having a little bit snack or something, or dark chocolate sometimes when you're trying to find something in your diet where you want some sweetener or something like that. So all those things, you can have different ways to get into your diet or the diet of your children and get some best results. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel, and have a great day. Bye.